Alright guys, you are welcome back to Amazing Creative Studio. So in this video, I quickly want to show you how you can create your WhatsApp catalog. So a friend of mine reached out to me concerning that I should teach him how to create a WhatsApp catalog. So I'll be doing this. Although I thought that everybody should be able to do this thing. So that is why I've not been able to create such a video on WhatsApp catalog. But because of this, I'll be creating this video for the guy and also for the purpose of other people that does not know how to set up a WhatsApp business catalog. So quickly, for you to use a WhatsApp catalog, you must be using WhatsApp business. Your business must be registered on WhatsApp. That is, you must be using a WhatsApp business. So for you to be accepted for this, you must first of all install your WhatsApp business as you see it on this screen. WhatsApp business. So you must be using a WhatsApp business. This is another one. This is WhatsApp business. So you must be using a WhatsApp business for you to qualify for WhatsApp catalog. So quickly, if you don't have WhatsApp business installed on your mobile device, so quickly head over to Play Store mobile app, search for WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp business. So this is it. This is WhatsApp business. So I've already installed this WhatsApp business on my phone. So on your own side, it will ask you to install the app. It will ask you to install the app. So once you have installed it, once you have installed the app, just head over to the and open the app. Open the app, sign up or sign in with your mobile phone number, your registered WhatsApp number before. So assuming that you are using a normal WhatsApp business, that is just an individual WhatsApp account or WhatsApp application. So what you just need to do is to open that WhatsApp business that you have just downloaded. Then you log in with that same phone number of your WhatsApp individual account. So once you log in, your individual WhatsApp account will be removed. The account will be removed from that individual WhatsApp account. Then it will be accessed on your WhatsApp business account. So once you have done that, just head over to tools. Just look at the bottom tab here. So once you see it, click on the tools, tap on the tools. So click on the catalog, click on the catalog. So wait for a few minutes, just tap on the add new item, tap on the add new item. So quickly, there are a few information that you need to fill for your product in order for you to add your product. Yes, sir. So first thing is to add your image. First is to add your image, then also add your product name, your product price, sale price, which is optional, then description also, and the country of origin. The country of origin. So the country of origin will be automatically be filled as Nigeria since we are in Nigeria. Do you understand? So first of all, let's add our products. Okay. So this is the product I want to add on my WhatsApp catalog business. So I've already added the product image. So you can add more than one product image. As much as you have the image, you can add as more as image you have, you can add it there. So as you can see, we have one, we have two. It also asks us to add more. So you can add as many product image as you want. So then the next thing is to add your product name. Your product name. Pens match and more. So enter the price, the product price, okay. Let me just add 0 because this is just a banner advert. So if your product has a price, you can just add the price. Do you understand? Just add the price. Then also add the sale price. The price means original price. That's the original price. Price means original price. Then the sale price is 1,000 naira. This is the price that you want to sell it. That is, you are giving out a part of a discount for that product. So if you don't have a discount price, you can just leave the sale price and enter the normal price, which is 1,000 naira. Do you understand? Just enter the 1,000 naira. So enter the 1,000 naira. As soon as that's the price, so you don't have the sale price, then enter the description of the product. Every top up, brings you to brings you closer to cash back. With PhonePe. So assuming this is the product description, then the country of residence, which is Nigeria. Sometimes it automatically fill itself. So if you want to add more field, you can just click on more field. If you needed to add more field, just click on this more fields, then they will show you more fields. Do you understand? So then another thing I want to teach you here in this video also is the hide feature. This hide feature is working for two things. It's either you want to make the products to be unavailable for you, for your audience, or for your contact, or the product is not available. So you can just click on the hide this item, that is, the item is currently not available for sale, or you don't want your audience or your customers or clients or contacts to see the product. So you can just switch it on. So once you switch it on, it will not be available for anybody except you only. So once you have done all this, then what you needed to do is to click on the save button. This is the save button here. So just click on the save button. So allow a few minutes for the product to be saved and to be reviewed by WhatsApp team. So WhatsApp team is going to review this product under some minutes, and sometimes it might even take longer than expected. So it depends on how the product meets their product policy. So once you are done, just click on go back, and if you want to add more item, just tap on the more item. So guys, if you love this video, please don't forget to share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.